no, and I'm not. Hi everyone. Now it's time for a wow. 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 Woo. Zam. Michael. Mira. Whoo. Ta. Hi everyone, now it's time for our Eskrima-Kali-Arnis. And today I'm going to share with you with my pound for pound, the best in the world, Sam Micah.
Mike is playing.
Micah is playing. I'm going to share with you the Arnis counter attack, okay? Arnis, the Eskrima-Kali-Arnis to counter the attack. Now, so 12 basic strikes, right? 12 basic strike and 12 basic defense. So, if you notice, I don't have my partner, stick fighting partner here. But
I'm partner.
oh yeah, okay. So I have my partner now. My pound for pound princess.
I'm here. I'm your partner.
Yeah, you're my partner. So, I'm going to simulate that I have my partner. So, 12 basic strikes, 12 basic defense, counter attack. Again, counter attack, counter strikes. So, I will be standing right here. First, I have my imaginary simulation that my opponent is standing here.
That's me.
And that's
That's
her,
me.
my pound for pound partner, Princess Micah.
That's me.
And she will be doing the strikes. Okay? She will be doing the attacks.
That's me.
Strikes and thrust. Now I'm going to do the defense, the blocks. At the same time, I'm going to counter attack. Alright? First, the first attack is, the target is to my left temple. So we are going to review first the 12 strikes, right? So 12 strikes, come here, salute, okay? So I'm going to open, then do my 12 attack. 1, 2, right?
You're getting closer to
3,
me.
it's okay, Micah. 4, 5, 6, and then to the knees, 7, 8, thrust to the chest, 9, to the chest, and then overhead strike, crown, overhead strike, crown. So those were the strikes, right? Attacks. Now I'm going to defend myself, thinking that I have my imaginary partner.
That's me.
And that's Princess Micah. So, she will be doing the attacks.
That's
So,
me.
strike number 1, I will do the defense number 1. Defense number 1. 1. So now I'm going to defend here, inside block. And then I will be doing the counter attack. That's my counter attack. See that? She strikes me. She strikes me to my left temple. I'm going to my defense. Then I'm going to counter. Ta! See that? That's counter attack. So, my imaginary partner,
That's me.
and that's her, strikes me, I will defend. Inside block. Then I will counter. Ta!
It's me.
Okay, number 2. She will strike me to my right temple. Okay? So I'm going to block, outside block, and then I will do a counter. See that? So, she will attack me, strike, I will block, and then I will counter.
It's funny.
Number 2. Number 3 is the same with number 1. So, block, counter. Okay, number 4 is the same with number 2. Outside block, then counter. Number 5, thrust to the abdomen. Thrust. Boom. See? Thrust to the left abdomen. Bam! So, I'm going to do a downward parry. So that's my defense, right? And then I will counter. Boom! See that? Downward parry, then counter. Bang!
Look, she looks like Daffy. Look,
So number 6.
a Daffy.
Reverse downward parry. See? So she will thrust me or stab me on my right abdomen. Boom! See?
That looks like
Boom!
Daffy.
Right abdomen. So what I'm going to do is
Whoa,
reverse downward parry. See that?
Like Daffy. Look.
That's my defense, right? That's my defense. Then I will counter. Boom! So reverse downward parry, then counter. Alright? That's number 6. 7. Downward block. So she will attack me. Downward block. Downward block, and then I will counter. So my counter will be like this. So, what? So, boom! Okay? The number 8. Reverse downward block. See? Reverse downward block, then I will counter her. Okay? Boom! So again. See that? Reverse downward block, and then so. Boom! See that? That's number 8. Number 9. Thrust to the left chest. See, thrust. Or stab. Kung sa Bisaya, dunggab. Kung sa Tagalog, saksak. So, the defense is upward parry. So, upward parry. So, let's face this way. So, upward parry. See that? Upward parry. And then I will do a counter attack. Counter attack will be the strike. Downward strike. So, from here. See that? Upward parry. Again. Then number 10. Right? Thrust. Thrust to the right chest. Thrust or stab. So my defense would be reverse upward parry. Okay? Reverse upward parry. Then my counter attack would be downward strike. Okay? So, boom! See that? Reverse upward parry. Counter strike. Downward. Okay, number 11. Overhead strike. See? Overhead strike to the temple.
Papa, I'm the partner.
Yeah, you're my partner. My partner, Princess Micah.
I am playing.
So, my defense would be the rising block. So, left foot backward and rising block. Okay? So, she will attack me to my crown. So, rising block and my counter would be like... See that? See? See that? Like this. Rising block. Use your left hand. Check. Check the stick. The garrote, the olisi. And then do your counter strike. Bam! See that? So if you have to follow up, it will be like this. Rising block. Check. Bam! See that? Boom! Rising block. Now number 12. Number 12, the target point would be the right crown. Okay? Right crown. So reverse rising block. See that? Again, right foot backward, then reverse rising block. And then the counter attack. There's 2 options. You can do the downward strike. That would be your first option. So reverse downward. Bam! Or you can simply like this. Check the stick with the garrote, the olisi. Once you check that, you have to twist your wrist and apply a sidewinder strike. So it's gonna be like this. Boom! See that? Then, see? Reverse down, reverse rising block, and then your counter attack will be like, see that? So 2 options. First option is rising block, then downward strike. That will be the first option. Second option will be like this. And then check the stick, garrote or olisi. Twist your wrist a little bit and then do a sidewinder. See that? So that's it. That's the 12 basic counter attack. Counter attack. Counter strikes. Okay? We'll do it again. So let's face this way. You need to face this way, huh? So I have my imaginary partner.
It's me.
And that's my pound for pound princess.
It's me. I'm
Micah.
partner.
So you have to pay respect, pay courtesy, salute. Partner. And then
Crazy.
she would perform the 12 strikes. 12 thrust attacks.
Papa, is that she because she's a girl?
Yeah, it's she because you're a girl. So here, number 1. Ha!
Bye.
Again, huh? Inside block, then counter attack will be downward strike. Alright. Number 2, reverse downward.
Crazy.
So inside block, then outside block. Then counter downward strike. So 2. Ta! Okay. Number 3, the same with number 1. Inside block, the same with number 1, then the counter is downward strike.
It's kind of crazy.
See that? Tack! Boom! Okay? Number 4, the same with number 2. Outside block, then strike. Okay? So, there. Okay, number 5, thrust to the stomach or abdomen. So, downward parry, then my counter attack would be upward strike.
Papa,
Yes,
I'm
baby.
the partner.
Yeah, you're my partner. Yeah. Boom. Okay, number 6,
What is this thing?
thrust to the right abdomen. Okay, right stomach. So, reverse downward parry, upward counter strike. See? So I will do it. I'm facing this way. So number 6, right? Thrust to the right abdomen. So down, reverse downward parry. See that? Circular. That's the difference between a parry from a block. A parry meaning there's a circular motion. Like this. See? Parry. Parry. Reverse down. Parry. Block would be like this.
Crazy.
See? Block.
See this one?
Block. See that? Block. There's no circular motion, okay? So let's go back. Number 6. Parry and counter. Okay? 6. Number 7, to the knees. Okay, left knee. See the downward block? See? Downward block. See? Downward block, then counter. Again. See that? Downward block, then counter. Number 8, right knee. So, reverse downward block, okay? Reverse downward block, then upward side. See that? See? Notice my checking hand? Still there, okay? So again, this is my garrote hand. Why is it garrote hand? A hand that holding the garrote or the olisi or the baston. This one is the checking hand, the supporting hand for check, for disarming. Okay, it helps you to disarm the knives, the bolo, any bladed weapon, or the stick, the garrote, the olisi, the baston. Okay, so proceed. Number 9, the thrust to the chest. So 9, thrust, whoop, upward parry. See the difference between the block and the parry? Parry, it has a circular motion. Circular motion. So, upward parry and then counter. Again. Hey! Okay, number 10. Cross to the right chest. So, reverse upward parry and counter. Up. See that? Upward parry and counter. Okay, number 11. To the crown. So, rising block and then bang! Counter, okay? So rising black, set, and then strike. Again, one more time. She strikes me to my crown, my head. So I'm doing my rising black. Check her or his stick, garrote hand. Check a little bit, then counter though. There you go. See? Yeah. Then again, rising black. Boom. Okay, number 12 here. My right crown. So reverse rising black. First option down. Okay. First option, bang. And the second option would be the sidewinder. Tack, tack, bang. See that? Reverse rising black. Check the stick. Check the stick a little bit. Twist your wrist a little, your garrote hand. And then a sidewinder. See that? See? Tap. Bang. One more time. Reverse rising black. Check the garrote, the stick with the hand. And then twist your garrote hand a little bit. And do a sidewinder. There you have it. Alright? See you in the next training video, yeah? Like that? See you. See you. Yeah, go, yeah. See you.
Oh, hide.
Yeah, ours. Yay.